Hello guys, in today's video, I will be teaching you how to get mods in Garry's mod. As you can see, I do have it, so no need to verify me. So you open Steam, hover over Community, go on Workshop, and then go down to your games, go to Garry's mod, or whatever game you want to have mods in, and then just search up the mod, like Speed Changer. So you can do this, so I'm going to actually add this as well. So, yep, this one looks good. Uh, um, yeah, I think those are just it. So, the reason that all of them, like every single mod I covered, is because it's kind of conserved. Um, so also at the same time, the whole thing. Oh, no, no, bad boy. Be down there. So these are all mods except this side, and I do not know why. It's kind of laggy. So if you find problems, always go to the problems, and if you keep finding problems, quit and then rejoin, and that should solve the issue. So keep doing this until there's no errors, so it should stop making you lag. So no errors so far. I like a strider. Is that actually every single item in Garry's mod? Oh, no. Oh. Anyways, after you get it, um, so since I got the speed changer mod, oh my god, maybe yours works. Yep. Um, um, try and copy this. When I go into your game, like make sure you have an add-on. Like this is my own add-on that I wanna use. So 1 speed, 5, and I'll do 1,000. No, it's oops, sorry. Let's do 1,000. 1, 2, 3. Let's do 550. Says we're timing everything by 11. So now I think this works. fast. I don't know if I'm faster. Wait. If I just do 2,000. 1,110. Or just times it by 10 basically. Yeah, I'm not sure if I'm fast, but anyways, so that's how you basically add mods. So bye bye.